Welcome to our comprehensive YouTube channel VAG-WorldWide. In this video we will guide you to troubleshoot car jerking and hesitation. If you've ever experienced these issues while driving, you know how frustrating and potentially dangerous they can be. In this in-depth exploration, we will delve into the various reasons behind these problems and provide you with detailed explanations and expert tips to diagnose and resolve them. So, let's dive in and uncover the mystery behind your car's jerking and hesitation. 1. Fuel system issues. Dirty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors play a vital role in delivering fuel to the engine. Over time, they can accumulate deposits and become clogged, leading to restricted fuel flow and inadequate fuel delivery. As a result, the engine may experience rough idling, hesitation, and a decrease in power. Show an image of dirty fuel injectors and explain how they impact engine performance. To address this issue, recommend using fuel system cleaners or seeking professional cleaning services to restore proper fuel flow. Fuel filter problems. The fuel filter's primary function is to remove impurities and debris from the fuel before it reaches the engine. However, a clogged or malfunctioning fuel filter can restrict the flow of fuel, causing a lean fuel-air mixture. This imbalance can result in engine misfires, hesitation, and jerking. Display an image of a dirty fuel filter and explain how it can impede fuel delivery. Emphasize the importance of regular fuel filter replacement to maintain optimal engine performance. 2. Ignition system malfunctions. Worn-out spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. Over time, they can become worn out, leading to reduced spark intensity or misfires. This can result in jerking and hesitation during acceleration or at idle. Show a visual representation of a worn-out spark plug and explain how it affects combustion efficiency. Encourage viewers to inspect their spark plugs regularly and replace them according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Faulty ignition coils. Ignition coils are crucial components that generate the high voltage required to produce sparks in the spark plugs. However, when ignition coils malfunction, they can disrupt the electrical current to the spark plugs, causing irregular sparks and engine misfires. Display an image of a faulty ignition coil and explain its role in the ignition system. Suggest checking the ignition coils for signs of damage or failure and replacing them if necessary to restore proper engine function. 3. Air intake and exhaust system problems. Clogged air filter. The air filter ensures that the air entering the engine is clean and free from debris. Over time, the air filter can become dirty or clogged, limiting the airflow to the engine. This can lead to a rich fuel-air mixture, causing the engine to hesitate, jerk, or have reduced power. Present an image of a dirty air filter and describe how it can disrupt engine performance. Stress the importance of regularly inspecting and replacing the air filter to maintain optimal engine efficiency. Failing catalytic converter. The catalytic converter plays a crucial role in reducing harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances. However, over time, the catalytic converter can become damaged or worn out, leading to restrictions in the exhaust flow. This can result in a decrease in engine power, hesitation, and even stalling. Show an image of a deteriorated catalytic converter and explain its role in emissions control. If viewers experience persistent jerking and hesitation issues accompanied by a rotten egg smell or reduced exhaust flow, recommend seeking professional assistance for diagnosis and potential replacement of the catalytic converter. 4. Transmission issues. Low transmission fluid. The transmission fluid is responsible for lubricating and cooling the transmission system, allowing for smooth gear shifting. Insufficient transmission fluid levels can lead to erratic shifting, slipping gears, and jerking or hesitation during acceleration. Show the process of checking transmission fluid levels using a dipstick and emphasize the importance of maintaining the appropriate fluid level as specified in the vehicle's manual. If the fluid is low, recommend adding the correct type of transmission fluid to the appropriate level or seeking professional assistance if there are signs of leaks or other underlying issues. Malfunctioning Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM is responsible for controlling various aspects of the transmission system, including gear shifts and torque converter lockup. A faulty TCM can disrupt the communication between the transmission and other components, leading to transmission-related issues such as abrupt gear changes, hesitation, or failure to shift gears properly. Present an image of a TCM and explain its role in the transmission system. If viewers experience persistent transmission-related jerking and hesitation, recommend seeking professional help to diagnose and repair potential TCM problems. By now, you should have gained a comprehensive understanding of the potential causes behind your car's jerking and hesitation issues. Regular maintenance and inspection, including the replacement of filters, spark plugs, and fluids, can go a long way in preventing and resolving these problems. However, if issues persist or if you are uncertain about the diagnosis or repair process, it is always advisable to consult a professional mechanic for a thorough assessment. Remember to stay proactive and attentive to your vehicle's needs to ensure a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more automotive troubleshooting tips and updates.